Hello everyone. So, you want to put your Nexus 5 onto a television set. Brilliant. Everybody wants to do that. It's a great idea. Now, if you're familiar with this kind of technology, in previous devices like the Galaxy S3, S4, Note 2, HTC One, etc., we had a system known as MHL. Now, MHL is basically a standard that the manufacturers can sign up to, which will allow them to use a cable to output HDMI to any device, like a television set, a capture device, and so on. Now, what was interesting when the Nexus 5 came out is MHL cables just didn't work. Simple as that. And it would seem that what Google has decided to do is to move over to more of an open standard called Slimport. So this is a Slimport cable. Now you can pick these up for about £12, give or take, possibly cheaper if you hunt around for them. But the idea really is that it's a replacement for an MHL cable, which, as you can see, they look pretty much identical. The only difference being Slimport doesn't carry a license fee, from what I can tell, and so obviously the Slimports are cheaper. Now, it's a pretty simple device to actually use. All you have to do is you have a HDMI plug on this end, or a female HDMI on that end. You've got a small Slimport connector, which is basically a micro USB, and you have a full-sized USB which is used to actually power this device and also charge the smartphone whilst you're outputting to a television set. All you do, plug that into there, oops, get the right way around, plug a HDMI cable into there, that into a USB port. You can use a block plugged into a wall socket or a computer with a USB, doesn't matter, and plug it into your television set, and then everything that you see on here will be displayed onto your HDMI device. Simple as that. And if you want to kind of see how this works in practice, take a look at pretty much any of the content on our channel. It's all done using HDMI capture, so from either MHL cables or, in the case of the Nexus 5, using Slimport. And it works beautifully well. It's a very, very easy system to use. And now Google have moved over to Slimport. It's actually much cheaper as well. Bonus.